Good morning, St. John Paul II Academy. Another week here in our 40th year of education in the tradition of John Baptist de La Salle and the Brothers of the Christian Schools. Let's begin with a prayer this morning.
That you have to imagine that Sisyphus is happy with his fate, that he's stronger than the rock.
Going to a Catholic school my whole life has kept me grounded and helped me to see what's important in my life.
A big part of my high school experience was growing in my faith.
Amen. St. John Paul.
Pray for us, Holy Mary, Mother.
So being a student in a Lasallian school means that we follow in the tradition of John Baptist de La Salle, who is the patron saint of teachers.
The core of a Lasallian teacher is to be a servant and to put the students first. We have to put the interests of our students in the forefront of our minds every day when we walk in, because every day is an opportunity to inspire them to be better.
You really feel the love and care that the staff has for us students.
We really want to make sure that our students are learning at a level and a pace that suits them.
One of the more important aspects of the school is the size. All the teachers know my children, all the parents know each other. It becomes a real family, and to me that's very important.
Going to a small school definitely has its advantages. There's lots of different ways to get involved and out there. There's lots of different clubs and sports that you can join. There's definitely something for everyone.
I was able to be in student government, I was on many athletic teams, I did so many other clubs. I think SJP does a really good job of allowing you to explore your passions.
I'm a transfer student here at SJP, and the amount of school spirit just does not compare to my last school. When I'm out there on the field, you can hear our friends, family, even our teachers are out there to cheer for us.
Over 80% of our students participate on at least one athletic team.
I play 3 sports here at SJP, and playing on multiple teams has allowed me to meet new kids and try new things that I didn't know I'd be good at.
I would describe the student body as a diverse student body.
Coming to St. John Paul as a non-Catholic, I was nervous at first, but I learned very quick that everyone's on a different faith journey.
They're upbeat, they're very enthusiastic, and I'm proud to tell people that I teach at St. John Paul II Academy.
The goal of Lasallian Education is from the time that a student arrives on campus as a freshman to the time that a student walks across that stage of graduation, that our students are transformed into Lasallian leaders for the future.